Dear guests,
Please.
requesting you to take
Please.
your formal
Please.
photograph.
Just a second, just a second, just a second. Yes. You can sit here. Please, please.
মিডিয়া থেকে উপস্থিত ফটো জার্নালিস্ট যারা আছেন আপনাদেরকে অনুরোধ করছি ফর্মাল ফটোগ্রাফটি তোলার জন্য।
Please be quiet and then we will start. Thank you. Be quiet, let's start. Yes. Yes.
আমাকে আপডেট জানায় না।
থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। সবাইকে একটু শান্ত এবং চুপ থাকার জন্য অনুরোধ করছি। আমরা আমাদের স্পিচেসগুলো শুরু করতে যাচ্ছি। Requesting all of you to kindly be calm and stay a little quiet. Now I'd like to request CEO and Managing Director of Singer Bangladesh Limited, Mr. M.H.M. Fairoz, to say a few words on this occasion.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Singer, I want to thank our friends from media for joining us today, and also directors from Singer and Archelic colleagues who are here to grace this occasion. At Singer Bangladesh, we place the customer centricity at the heart of our operations. We are transforming our business to bring contemporary global standards to our customers in Bangladesh. Our vision is to position Singer Bangladesh as the top consumer durable retailer and also to provide world-class brands to our customers in Bangladesh. By leveraging our global expertise, we aim to make a significant contribution to the consumer durable industry and improve the lives of Bangladesh people. Ladies and gentlemen, as you know, Singer and Beko has partnered with world-renowned Turkish actor Mr. Burak Özçivit, a beloved figure in Bangladesh. He has been our esteemed guest for the past few days, and it is an honor to host him. Our Turkish heritage, combined with global expertise of Koç and Arçelik, Turkey, is driving our transformation. We believe Mr. Burak Özçivit is the perfect ambassador to share our journey with our customers. Bangladesh is boast of generating the highest GDP during the pandemic or even post-pandemic, and is set to become the 9th largest economy. And furthermore, it is sort of setting road to become the $1 trillion by 2040. We as a Singer, being the pioneer in the industry or the consumer durable industry, we are committed to contribute in this economic growth. Koç Holding and our parent company Arçelik recognize this potential, which has fueled their investment in Bangladesh. Since their acquisition, they have invested significantly across various pillars of our business. The economy is growing, and with its lifestyle of our customers are evolving, and Single Bangladesh is adapting by integrating contemporary global standards into operations. A major milestone in our transformation was establishment of our new manufacturing plant in Arayazam, built to gold standards of LEED, a globally recognized green building certification. This factory marks a new chapter in our journey. With Arçelik's support, we are introducing energy efficient products and production technologies tailored to market insights and consumer demand. This year, we are also launching a significant initiative to transform our business operation. We as Singer boast the largest retail network in Bangladesh with 462 retail outlets. We are proud to introduce, ladies and gentlemen, Bangladesh's first concept store in the consumer durable industry. Our concept store offers dedicated experience zones aligned with product features and needs of Bangladesh consumers. This transformation will extend to all consumer touchpoints, providing an unprecedented retail experience across the country. Since 2012, Singer Bangladesh has offered Beko products to Bangladesh customers. As the market grows and matures, we are focusing on increasing the market share of Beko. Beko is one of the top 3 brands in Europe. The technology, quality and features of Beko products add significant value to our customers in Bangladesh. We are introducing Beko shop-in-shop store within our concept store to offer consumers the first-hand experience of Beko products. Singer, with its legacy in the consumer durable business, aims to become the leading company in the sector. As part of our retail transformation, we are highlighting Singer Beko concept store. I'm also happy to inform today, my friends, we have also relocated our corporate headquarters to a new state-of-the-art office designed by esteemed Turkish architects. The facility will reflect Arçelik global workspace standards and amenities, fostering teamwork, collaboration, creativity, and forward thinking. It embodies Singer Bangladesh's progressive ethos and lays the foundation to continue our success. Our transformation began in 2019 with Arçelik acquisition, and we are now at the peak of the journey, marked by exceptional advancements in production, retail experience, and workspace. To communicate the benefits of our transformation to our consumers, we believe the best brand ambassador is Mr. Burak Ozpit, and I wish him all the best for all the support he has spent for the last 2 days. This is just the beginning of our journey, and we look forward to what lies ahead. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Emerson Kairos, for your wonderful speech. Now I would like to request Ms. Handan Abdurrahmanoglu, Director, Regional Marketing, Business Transformation and Growth of South Asia of Arçelik, to please say a few words on this occasion.
Do you hear me? Yes. Hello to everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank Mr. Burak for coming here. It's very excited to host him here. And after I see your feeling, your excitement, once again I understood that we found the right person to make our ambassadors, transformation ambassadors. I will not keep my words very long because I don't want to be between you and Burak. So, Mr. Kairos already explained, we are in transformation. I want everyone who crossed the path with Singer in one way or another to feel the change and transformation. We are really putting you, Bangladeshi people, at the heart of our business, at the heart of our, let's say, also organization. Today you see three main transformations. We just visited our new workspace. It's beautiful. Really, we are very excited to work together with Bangladeshi people as Turkish people. Also, new manufacturing plant, new store. We are very excited. And by chance, today we are white and red, Turkish people really, we brought our heart here. I hope, inshallah, we will be really successful and we will bring Bangladeshi people to the future. Thank you very much. Now I would like to give my words to Mr. Burak and listen to him. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ms. Handan Abdurrahmanoğlu. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to hear from the star, the brand ambassador of Singer Beko, Mr. Burak Özçivit.
Hi everyone.
Excuse me, sit down please.
Mrs. Handan and Mr. Fairuz, thank you so much.
ভাই লাইভে এখনো আছে
Shabeke Shagotam.
আপনি কোন
That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All people is here. Oh, it's very interesting for me. So when I went to Bangladesh, and then all people said the first one, Muhteşem Yüzyıl, Bali Bey. Is it true? Is it true? Yes. Thank you so much. You are very kind. But when I went, and then I understand I have a lot of crazy fans. Maybe you know, I sent to Instagram the message, and then a lot of videos. You know, oh, it's incredible, incredible. Thank you so much. All people love the Turkish series. Is it true? Yeah, but I think is the Muhteşem Yüzyıl, Bali Bey, and the Osman, Kuruluş Osman, is different. Is it true? Thank you so much. Merci. So, I want to say Turkish, so, I want to talk about a lot of situations. So, biz ilk başta hangi rolü oynarsam oynayayım benim için en önemli şeylerden biri güvenilirliktir.
আমরা বুরাক ভাই বলতেছি যে আমরা যে রোলই করি না কেন আমার জন্য সবচেয়ে ইম্পর্টেন্ট হচ্ছে প্রথমত এই সিকিউরিটি।
I think is very important for trust. So, Bali Bey, ondan sonra Kara Sevda, Çalı Kuşu ve Kuruluş Osman. Çok fazla karakter oynadım ama Osman'la birlikte ne kadar sevdiğinizi iyi biliyorum.
মানে আমি অনেক সিরিজগুলোতে কাজ করেছি, ঠিক আছে, সেই সিরিজগুলোর মধ্যে আপনাদেরকে দেখছি যে ওসমান যে সিরিজটা, ওসমান কুরুলুş, এই সিরিজটা আপনারা অনেক জনপ্রিয় করে তুলেছেন আপনারা।
Oynadığım bütün rollerde en önemli şey güvenilirlik.
মানে যেই রোলই করুক না কেন সবচেয়ে ইম্পর্টেন্ট হচ্ছে সিকিউরিটি পারপাস।
Her zaman duyduğum şey bütün mesela daha önce Pakistan'a da gittim. Hindistan'da da çok sevildiğini biliyorum. Şu an Bangladeş'teyim. Çok sevildiğini hep duydum.
মানে বলতেছে যে আমি অনেক জায়গায় গেছি, পাকিস্তানে গেছি, ইন্ডিয়াতে গেছি, অনেক জায়গায় গেছি, কিন্তু বাংলাদেশের মধ্যে এত পাকলা বন্ধ দেখি।
Ama bence en önemli şey güvenilir olmak.
আমার জন্য সবচেয়ে ইম্পর্টেন্ট হচ্ছে, আবারও বলতেছে, মানে সিকিউরিটি খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট।
Osman'a ne kadar güveniyorsanız, benim bugüne kadar oynadığım rollere ne kadar güveniyorsanız, benim bugün sizlerin karşısına gelmemdeki en büyük sebep ne kadar güvenilir bir firmayla sizlerle birlikte olmam.
মানে আপনারা যেই যদি করি না কেন, আমরা যেই ব্র্যান্ডের সাথে আমরা কোলাবোরেশন করি না কেন, সবচেয়ে হচ্ছে গিয়ে প্রথমত হচ্ছে গিয়ে বিশ্বস্ততা অর্জন করা।
Bugün benim için bu çok önemli. Koç Holding Türkiye'de çok büyük, çok büyük. Aynı şekilde Beko Avrupa'da 1 numara. Benim için de en önemli şeylerden biri. Sizlerle bunu paylaşmam için güvenilir olmak en önemli. O yüzden Koç Holding bunun tartışılmaz firmalarından biri.
তুর্কিতে একটা কোচ যে একটা গ্রুপ আছে, সেখানে তার মধ্যে হচ্ছে আর্থিক একটা কোম্পানি, এই কোম্পানির মধ্যে বেকো হচ্ছে সাব ব্র্যান্ড। এই সাব ব্র্যান্ডটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে ইউরোপের মধ্যে সবচেয়ে বড় কোম্পানি, 1 নম্বর কোম্পানি। এই 1 নম্বর কোম্পানি থেকে তিনি আসছেন। এই কোম্পানিগুলো যেগুলোই হোক না কেন, তিনি যার সাথে কোলাবোরেশন করুক না কেন, কিন্তু সে কি করে সবার আগে বিশ্বস্ততা অর্জন করে।
Sizler Türk dizilerini çok seviyorsunuz. Doğru mu?
আপনারা কি তুর্কিশ টিভি সিরিজগুলো খুব পছন্দ করেন?
Thank you so much. So, o yüzden biz de Türkiye'nin en güvenilir markasını sizlere getirdik.
এই জন্য আমরা আপনাদেরকে তুর্কি থেকে সবচেয়ে বিশ্বস্ত একটা কোম্পানি নিয়ে এসেছি।
Ben de bunun yüzü olarak buradayım.
এই বুরাক পেজে এটার ব্র্যান্ড অ্যাম্বাসেডর হিসেবে আছে।
3 gün boyunca reklam çekimi yaptım.
3 দিন ধরে তিনি করতেছে, মানে এই শুটিং করতেছে ইয়ার জন্য।
Mükemmel bir çekim oldu.
অনেক সুন্দর হয়েছে, মানে খুব সুন্দর অভিজ্ঞতা হয়েছে তার।
Yakın zamanda sizlerle bunu paylaşacağız.
মানে খুব শীঘ্রই আপনাদের সাথে এটা মানে করবে আর কি, সব কিছু বলবে আপনাদের।
Buranın ne kadar geleneksel bir ülke olduğunu çok iyi biliyorum.
মানে এখানে এটা কত সুন্দর দেশ মানে হওয়াটা, এটা অনেক উনি খুব ভালো জানে, কারণ আপনারা খুব মানে ভালোবাসা দিয়েছেন ওনাকে।
Emin olun bizler de öyleyiz.
মানে মানে আপনারা করেন, ট্রাস্ট করেন যে ওনারাও আপনাদেরকে খুব পছন্দ করেন।
Dizilerimizde çok fazla bunları paylaşmak istiyoruz.
মানে যে টিভি সিরিজগুলো করে এগুলোতে মানে আমাদের বাংলাদেশকে করার জন্য, মানে
Muhteşem
বলার জন্য
Yüzyıl'da,
করেন।
Muhteşem Yüzyıl'da, Osman'da bunu çok fazla paylaştık.
মানে ওই ওসমান সিরিজগুলো যে আপনারা দেখেন, এগুলো মানে খুব করেন, ওনারা আপনাদের খুব ভালোবাসেন, এই জন্য তিনি খুব খুশি হয়েছেন।
Sizler de sevdiniz biliyorum.
আপনারা যে এই সিরিজগুলো পছন্দ করেন, উনি তা জানেন।
Teşekkür ederim. Bu yüzden şimdi de Singer Beko olarak burada müthiş bir değişim içindeyiz aslında. Şöyle, Türkiye'de arçelik olarak büyüttüğümüz firmamız Avrupa'da Beko olarak aslında 1 numara. Ama Bangladeş'te Singer Beko olarak şu anda biliniyoruz.
আর্চেলিক বেকো এটা তুর্কিতে অনেক বড় একটা কোম্পানি, মানে এটা ইউরোপের মধ্যে 1 নাম্বার কোম্পানি, কিন্তু এটা এখন বাংলাদেশের সিঙ্গার বেকো হিসাবে আসছে। এটা আস্তে আস্তে আমরা বড় হব।
Size Singer Beko'nun önemini söyleyeceğim.
আপনাদেরকে সিঙ্গার বেকোর কিছু ইনফরমেশন দিবে।
Evimiz hepimiz için çok önemli değil mi?
মানে ঘর বাসা আমাদের জন্য খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট, তাই না?
O yüzden bizler sizlere evlerinizde kullanabileceğiniz en güvenilebilir, en kullanılabilir ürünleri tanıtıyoruz.
এই জন্য আপনাদের কাছে আমরা মানে ঘরে বসবাস করার জন্য যেই যতগুলো মালপত্র আছে, সেগুলো মানে যত বিশ্বস্ত যেগুলো আছে, এগুলো আপনাদের কাছে আনছি আমরা।
Bu anlamda güvenebileceğiniz en önemli marka Türkiye'den size getirdiğimiz Singer Beko.
তুর্কি থেকে আপনাদেরকে সবচেয়ে বিশ্বস্ত একটা কোম্পানি নিয়ে আসছে, এটা বাংলাদেশে এখন সিঙ্গার বেকো হিসেবে পরিচিত।
Teşekkür ederim. Şimdilik bu kadar. Yani ben en son Singer Beko konsept mağazasına gittim. Hep birlikte gittik hatta. Orada olacağımızı söyledik. Bizim hayranlarımızla, izleyici kitlemizle bir arada olacağımızı söyledik.
উনি আসার আগে সব কিছু তাই তিনি সোশ্যাল মিডিয়াতে সব কিছু বলে দিয়েছেন যে উনি কোথায় কোথায় যাচ্ছেন। সিঙ্গার কনসেপ্ট বেকর শোরুমে গিয়েছেন, যেটা এর আগে তিনি বলে দিয়েছেন যে আমি এখানে যাচ্ছি। তারপর ফলোয়ারদেরকে দেখেছেন, ফলোয়ারদের সাথে ছবি তুলেছেন।
Çok insan geleceğini biliyordum.
অনেক মানুষ যে আসবে তিনি সেটা জানবেন,
Kalabalık olacağını biliyordum.
অনেক ভিড় হবে যে এটাও জানবেন।
Ama Instagram'dan paylaştım. Bu kadar oradan çıkamayacağımızı bilmiyordum.
ইনস্টাগ্রামে যে তিনি স্টোরিটা দিচ্ছে, কিন্তু মানে এত মানুষ যে হবে তিনি কল্পনা করতে পারেন।
Thank you so much. Thank you.
ধন্যবাদ।